Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a video. This is going to be how to get a lot of demon keys fast in Geometry Dash. So, alright, let's get started. So, first thing you want to do is if you have any daily chests that are available, you got to open them. So, I'm going to open this chest right here. And alright, that's the first step. So the next step is to go to this icon right here, which is achievements, and scroll for a little while until you see page 189 to 190 at the top of the screen, top right of the screen. So now if you have passed the achievement, like or dislike 100 online levels, cleric, then you can skip this step. Otherwise you will have to do this and like or dislike 100 levels online. And keep in mind, if you want to skip this, there will be chapters in the video, so just skip to the next chapter, which will be the next step. Alright, so we are going to do that. I will speed up this next little bit, and alright everyone, alright, it's time now. Alright, so as you can see, I just got the cleric achievement. So if we go back to achievement and go to that page again, there it is. We got the little check mark there. Alright, so the next step is you need to go to the create and gauntlets, and then you need to beat the chaos gauntlet. Alright. Next, what you need to do is you need to get 500 gems. As you can see, I have 763. And then go to the create option again, and then go to the trade option, the little door at the bottom right of the corner, and go one to the right, and you'll see this guy. Just click tapping on the left rope, and then he'll let you in if you have 500 gems. Sorry, I forgot. And then what you want to do is look for the master emblem, which is this little diamond, the black icon in the bottom left of my screen currently. See, I have already bought it. It costs maybe 700 or 1,000 or orbs or something like that. I'm not sure. But then, finally, last step, you want to go to play, and then you want to go one to the left after you see Stereo Madness, the coming soon. If you don't see a door at the bottom of your screen, just like tap at the bottom of your screen, and then a door will show up, and yeah. And I have already done this, but there should be a little chest to the right of this thing, of this little guy, and then you just click on it, and it should give you a few demon keys. It should give you a good bunch. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And there is one thing I want to say before I go. April Fools!